I am staying at a place in Fort Lauderdale, and I noticed a Weber grill in the background. I want to go smoke something. Come on, everyone. Let's go smoke. I was being corny on purpose. I would never be that corny. Not on purpose. Fort Lauderdale's pretty opulent. There's tons of nice shit here. But I don't want to spend too much money. So I'm gonna go find something cheap, something porky, and not like a prime cut, some sort of shoulder or haunch. Let's go see what Jeff Bezos has for us. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. This is Whole Foods. We are at Whole Foods. And we're gonna buy some things to cook, things to smoke. Whole Foods, St. Province. This is a really nice one for Fort Lauderdale. I wasn't here when I was a young yachty, and it is pretty fucking nice. Thank you, Jeff Bezos, for your empire. Something like a grill. We're gonna do 50-50 rub, salt and sugar, on a bone-in Boston butt. And we let it sit for a day. And then you rinse it off. And then we're gonna smoke the hell out of it in the backyard in a little dusty Weber that just happens to be back there. So it's gonna be guerrilla, on the fly, cooking, using what we have here. Because it's simple and it's fun and it tastes really good. Kosher salt, one of my favorite salts to use. Cheap, big, not that salty either. Pure cane sugar, that's my least favorite sugar. It took all the flavor out of it. But I want you to think about these two things, salty and sweet. This can be soy sauce, this can be honey. It doesn't have to be these things. This is what I have. Cool parts. And we just need enough to rub the Boston butt. Give it a quick mix. This isn't precise time. This isn't rocket science. This is easy, fast, fun. And we're gonna let it cure, dry brine, rub, whatever the terminology you like the best. I don't give a shit. So we're gonna coat it using the same Jeff Bezos paper. Our hands are gonna get dirty, so we're gonna wash them. We'll rub this side all around. So we're gonna get, again, we're gonna rinse this off tomorrow. So I know it sounds like an abhorrent amount of sugar and salt. Yeah, let's rub on these both ends now. Just make sure you get the ends. Are there other ways to do this? Of course, but again, this is just the simplest and what I have on hand. So, all right, put that in there. Nice little parcel. Put it on a plate that's much too small, but just in case it leaks. Into the fridge. Ah, yes. To the jungles of Borneo, we were smoking meat in the Weber. A little offset smoking JV. Shh. Shh. You can hear some natives coming. Shh. Be quiet. Shh. I need to buy a thermometer. No thermometer. I just woke up. Tom Hanks, Castaway. Yeah, a little explanation of this technique. I've never done this before. We have a Weber in the backyard, a small one, where I'm staying, so it's just kind of like, it's what I have here. Which is gonna be an ongoing theme as I do more of these cooking videos, wherever the fuck I am, because I always end up somewhere weird. So we have the heat to the side. Bricks are partitioning that off. Water pan to keep moisture in the cavity once we close it up. That'll also help keep the meat moist. And then I'm gonna continue to add soaked wood chips, which is what I have. I'd rather have a big chunk of wood, but this is what I had at the wilds of Whole Foods, and they were kind enough to give me some wood chips for free. So this is what I have. I've never done this before. Let's see if it works. The pork is on. It is 9:45. Oh, that's easy to read. 9:45. I'm gonna continue to keep adding wood chips. I'm gonna add wood chips right there on top of the grate, because then they'll have to dry out first because they're soaked, and then they'll smolder and burn slowly. So I'm gonna let this go pretty much all day. Yeah, it's a fun little backyard experiment. With this smoke though, it smells good. It smells good. There's something very caveman, ancient human to me about smoking meat, fish, vegetables, and baking bread, where it just feels like, it hits me into my caveman core. I love it. Like, I just want to eat it. Makes me salivate, makes me excited. Bread and smoked things. This is a very positive experience. I'm enjoying myself. Not using a pellet smoker, which is also enjoyable. Easier, but this is fun. It's like the olden days. And everyone's got a Weber. You just need to buy some wood and find some bricks. That's all that needs to happen for this enjoyable experience in the jungle. Oh yeah, looking good. Lump. Chunk. Oh, feels so soft. Come on, baby. We're looking for 200F. Looks really good. Yeah, I like that. Not too shabby. I'm feeling like an anxious piece of shit today. But when I really think about it, life is pretty good. Just having one of those weird days. New business venture. Am I insane? Do people love me? Yeah, one of those fucking days. But I feel like smoked meat. Yeah, smoked meat brings it all together. Done. Alright, got everything back in here. So I'm just gonna put this here. I'm gonna put it show side down, which is that side. Then I'm gonna put this cooler, which in essence is gonna slow down the cooling process. I would really love to weight it. That is done. Let's get our pork on. So we've rested it in the cooler. It's so that basically the temperature differential, if you think about how hot that meat is, it's coming back into normal air. It would be like walking from an oven into a refrigerator. It's a huge temperature differential. When you put it in the cooler, you calm that down, so it just comes down much slower and it rests better. Look at that. But now, we can almost do like deli meat pork slices, and we can toast them in a pan. Just have a little bit more fun with it, rather than everything is like, yeah, it's like nice and soft, nice little smoke ring. Let's try it. I'm fucking hungry. Nice pink smoke ring. That's awesome. That's really good. It reminds me of like bacon. It just tastes like that smoky porkiness. That's kind of the look we're getting. It's just really nice marbling. It's a great cut of meat. Super cheap. I I love this versus just shredding it with your little faux plastic Wolverine claws, like when it's still hot and all the water's escaping. Like this is moist. This is like that kind of deli meat pork. I'm gonna keep cutting this. Hello.
What's up?
Yo. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Hi. What's going on, players? Hey. I get one super easy. Full tips.
Hi, Mom.
What's up?
What's up?